Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Chloe sunglasses, model CE164S in color code 742. The color of the frame is gold. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that it doesn't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also a round shape. And the lenses are brown gradient. On its temple you'll find the Chloe logo in gold. On both sides. On its inner right temple you'll again find the Chloe logo and that it's made in Italy. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 52 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 135 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Chloe hard case and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Marchand. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.